Guys, let me introduce you to the Baseus folding phone stand from my Gadgets Direct. So for some time now, I have been looking for a phone stand I can carry around easily to watch my movies and do some reading for my office work. Little did I know this gem of a product exists. It fits perfectly for my needs. The packaging is so sleek and you get some stickers and a manual for the phone stand. Few things I like about the Baseus phone stand is that it's steady and stable. It doesn't sleep and it's a super thin and very portable. My favorite part of it is that I can use it in two different modes, which is the landscape and the portrait. It can also be used as a key holder. Don't tell anybody I told you this. And it is super affordable. Get yours now from my Gadgets Direct. Bye.